Okay, this is on the Devey job, number 53722, install on 10-3 by Jason. So what we're doing is, if you come in the garage, we're putting a fan coil up in the attic. To get it up here, you're going to have to take the trim off. But yeah, get it up here. I drew the location of the fan coil on the ground in red marker right here. So that'll be the fan coil. And the homeowner didn't want to come past this point with the fan coil, just in case he had to pull this wood, get under here, you know, reach under there for some wires. This electrical is kind of in our way, so you'll just turn this around and lower it or whatever you need to. Or the homeowner will, one or the other. But the back of our fan coil is right here. Or as needed, that's what I figured. I made, let's see, it's kind of hard to see my sketch up here. But we'll have a 60 by 30 drain pan. This hole is exactly 30. So it should fit up here. And then I have 4-inch tall legs. And I made 2 of them shorter. You'll put 2 of them here. And that's so we can get over this plumbing pipe. We'll put 2 here and then 1 here. And set our unit on top. I actually made another one for the supply, to hold the supply over here. Actually, I won't make that because I had to changed this increaser for our 2-inch liner. So I have just a little piece so we can get 2-inch liner in there. And then a 5-foot piece of duct with an end cap. I'm going to go down and show you the rest. But just so you know, our air conditioner is over in that back corner. But otherwise, it's just all open here. Right here, this is all an overbuild. You can see it through this hole right here. See that wall? That's the great room wall. Over there in that back corner was one return's gonna go. But you can cut out the overbuild wherever you need to run the flex through. So just so you know, on your main plenum, I have 2 7-inch side takeoffs. One will go in the kitchen in front of the fridge off the back. One will go over and go to the living room. And then I have a 12-inch HET, which will go over and do a bunch of Ys to the great room. And on the return air, I just have a box with an end cap. Gonna take a 90 off the end and go right through here and just wrap around and go where you need to. You have 20-inch flex and you're gonna just Y from 20 to 16 and 16. Gonna have filter grills up here, so you don't need to use the filter in the unit. So let's go down. Okay. Thank you. So while I'm right here at the AC, well, let's just go around. So we're gonna come in the garage door. So over the fridge area, we're just gonna have a 4x12 straight boot with the 90 7-inch flex feeding it. Over here, we're just gonna have a 4x12 straight boot with the 90. Over here in the corner, if you can get one here, if not, get it wherever you can here. But I told them we'll try to get it over here in the corner, depending on how tall the roof is. Gonna put a 20x20 filter grill. This is the great room. This is the flat wall I showed you. So we're gonna have 4x12 straight boots, evenly centered as you can. Okay. In the living room, you're gonna have a 4x12 angle boot just over the window. In this bedroom, 4x12 angle boot over the window. In this bedroom, 4x12 angle boot over the window. And in the master bedroom, we're going to put a 4x12 straight boot with a 90 over the bed. In the bathroom, we're going to put a 4x10 angle boot over the window. In the hallway, we're going to put a 20x20 filter grill at the end of the hallway. And a thermostat, we're going to drop a new thermostat wire and put a thermostat right next to the other one. And let's go outside to the AC. Okay, so install fan coil, add 11 supply runs, add 2 20x20 filter grills. The electrical will be provided by the owner. The fan coil needs a 15 amp power, and he does have the power wire up there. He just needs to hook it to a 15 amp circuit and put a disconnect up there for us. The drain, we're going to drain out with the line set or to the closest eave, whatever works best. But yeah, the back eave, that's a overbuild, so out with the line set. Thermostat M30 in hallway. On the AC, so 5/8 by 3/8 was ordered. I called the salesman and told him to order a 3/4 by 5/8 by 3/4 by 3/8. So just make sure you're running the right line set. So the AC is right here. You're going to remove this. You're going to reuse the existing pad, but pull it out a little bit so the flue isn't dripping on it. And make sure you're not blocking the disconnect. The existing 20 amp breaker for this is in the basement panel, and it's correct for the new one. Otherwise, your line set will just come down the outside. There's a piece of line hide at the shop. You may want to just get a piece of line hide to put it in. And that's it.